The sound comes first, not the womp-womp of a helicopter but a deeper, more powerful thrum. A silhouette breaks the horizon, sharp and predatory, the MV-75 Tiltrotor. It's the U.S. Army's new thoroughbred, the future of air assault. Twin proprotors, angled forward, pull its sleek fuselage through the sky like a fixed-wing plane. On board, a squad of infantry sits ready, encased in a machine that blends the speed of a turboprop with the landing precision of a helicopter. As the MV-75 nears a contested urban landing zone, its proprotors pivot upward in a seamless, computer-controlled transition. The aircraft hovers, impossibly stable, just feet above the rubble-strewn street. Advanced fly-by-wire controls and sensors let pilots hold a perfect hover. Dust swirls as the side doors slide open. Soldiers step directly onto the ground. No ropes, no high hover. The MV-75 lands in tight spaces once inaccessible to aircraft of its size. This is a paradigm shift in tactical mobility. The mission has just begun, but the MV-75 has already changed the rules. More than a new helicopter, it's a reimagining of what vertical lift can achieve. Its chiseled lines reflect a design rooted in survivability, speed, and lethality. The MV-75 is a networked node, sensor platform, and rapid deployment system in one. As soldiers disembark and secure the area, the aircraft lifts off. Rotors tilt forward, and it accelerates away, vanishing as quickly as it appeared. It leaves behind a secured objective and a clear message: the pace of war has accelerated. The MV-75 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in Army aviation. It's built for the modern battlefield where speed and adaptability are everything. The future of air assault has arrived, and it's flying on tilting rotors. The MV-75 story starts not on the battlefield but in test facilities and on drawing boards. Born from the Army's Valor program, it was designed to replace the legendary Black Hawk. The Bell V-280 Valor proved the tiltrotor concept with only the rotor mass tilting, simplifying mechanics and improving fields of fire. After rigorous testing, Bell's design won the Army's competition in 2022. The MV-75 evolved from the V-280, integrating advanced systems and a hardened airframe for combat. Its designation marks its multi-mission role and its place in the Army's modernization strategy. The result, a transformational leap for Army aviation, ready to redefine the battlefield. The MV-75's performance leaves the Black Hawk in the dust. It cruises at over 280 knots, more than double the Black Hawk's speed. Missions that once took an hour now take less than 30 minutes. Its combat radius exceeds 500 nautical miles, enabling deep strikes and rapid redeployment. This reach allows forces to operate from safer, distant bases, while still threatening far-off targets. The MV-75 carries a full squad of 12, with a more spacious cabin for modern gear. Its tiltrotor design enables vertical takeoff and landing in tight, rugged spaces. Compared to the Black Hawk, the MV-75 is faster, flies farther, and is more agile and survivable. The Black Hawk was a workhorse. The MV-75 is a generational leap. It gives the Army unmatched speed, range, and flexibility. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a new era for air assault. The MV-75 changes how commanders think about time and distance. It's a decisive advantage for the U.S. Army. The future of air mobility is here. Step into the MV-75 cockpit and you step into the future. Gone are analog gauges, replaced by panoramic touchscreens and unified displays. Pilots manage a powerful node in a networked battlefield, overlaying maps, sensor feeds, and friendly data. Its modular open systems architecture means upgrades are plug-and-play, keeping the MV-75 at the cutting edge. The aircraft is AI-ready, with onboard computers designed for future autonomy and machine learning. Triple redundant fly-by-wire controls make transitions between flight modes seamless and safe. The MV-75 isn't just a troop carrier, it's a platform for tomorrow's warfare. It gives pilots unmatched control and situational awareness in any environment. In a crisis, speed is everything. The MV-75 can cover 50 miles in 10 minutes, bypassing threats and landing where helicopters can't. Troops deploy rapidly from both side doors, moving straight into cover. No hot exhaust, no wasted seconds. The aircraft spends less time vulnerable on the ground, boosting survivability for all. Its sensors gather real-time intelligence, feeding data to artillery and attack units. Acting as a communications relay, it extends the network deep into contested areas. The MV-75 isn't just a transport, it's a force multiplier. It turns desperate situations into decisive victories. Every second saved is a second gained on the enemy. This is transformational speed and power in action. Nowhere is the MV-75's impact greater than in the Indo-Pacific. Its 500-mile combat radius lets it leap between islands, ships, and remote bases. No runways required. The 101st Airborne, the Screaming Eagles, will be among the first to field it, matching their go-anywhere ethos. Imagine rapid redeployment from the Philippines to a contested island in a single flight. The MV-75 can launch from small ships or jungle clearings, complicating enemy plans. It creates a distributed, unpredictable threat across the Pacific. Training and doctrine are already underway for its 2028 debut. The MV-75 is rewriting the playbook for power projection in the region. The MV-75 Tiltrotor is more than a machine, it's a symbol of Army modernization. Its powerful hum signals a new doctrine: speed, range, and information dominance. For soldiers, it means faster reinforcements, quicker medevacs, and a decisive edge. As it enters service, the MV-75 will force a rethink of tactics, logistics, and strategy. Adversaries will struggle to counter an aircraft that appears, delivers, and vanishes in minutes. The MV-75 is the future American ingenuity in flight. Its mission is simple: get there faster, reach further, and dominate any battlefield. The Tiltrotor century has begun.